Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Wanted to give you a heads up that the current sale at Apex Trader Funding does end tomorrow. That sale is 80% off of any size evaluation and just $40 for the larger size evaluations. So they may extend it, who knows? They may do a different kind of sale, who knows? As many people know, they often have sales going on. Just depends on what they decide to do and when. But if you did want to take advantage while it is available to get one of those bigger size accounts, I highly recommend it. This actually changed the way that I trade in Apex from little tiny accounts where I had to be like super, super careful and keep everything real tight. And a lot of times I would just end up getting stopped out, wouldn't really make a lot of progress. But when I switched into the bigger accounts with a much, much bigger trailing threshold, that was able to just open up my trades, allow for a lot more breathing room. So I do highly recommend just giving yourself more space. And at these current discounts, it's actually not that much more than the tiny little accounts. So you can get a whole lot more bang for your buck if you are to go from those. For those of you that are out there struggling to maybe get funded for the first time, I encourage you to check out my free ebook and video program. That's completely free. You just need to opt in. That's at moneytotrade.com if you'd like to check that out. If you want to do it on your own, that is all good too. I wish you the best of luck. There's a link and coupon code for Apex down below if you need that. Now let's talk about what's coming up tomorrow. It's FOMC day, one of my favorite days to trade. And this right here, we're looking at the 10-year note. This is an interest rate futures product. And ever since kind of this low point back here in April, May ish, we've been just ever so gradually, I mean, with some big pullbacks for sure, but ever so gradually getting higher. Why? Because we potentially are getting closer to the Fed lowering the interest rates. There's talk that that might happen at their September FOMC meeting. We'll potentially get more clarity on that tomorrow during Jerome Powell's press conference. But when that does happen, these interest rate futures will cruise higher. So you can see it's kind of just been messy with all of the indecision that we've had over the last number of months. So hopefully after tomorrow and then as we get closer to September, we'll see a little bit more of a trend to the upside. That would be awesome. Best of luck tomorrow with the FOMC 123 trade. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.